Hey guys, this is Jeff Soulier. Today I'm going to go over a few things with innovations. Innovations, one of the most common issues we see is our edgers and tracer unable to communicate. Typically what's going to happen when that issue arises is innovations was started up improperly. So what that means is if your edgers or your tracers turned on before innovations is fully open, it will not be able to communicate. So let me go ahead and kind of show you that. So we'll open up innovations. It's always going to check for updates. Go ahead and hit cancel. We don't want to run any updates. We just want to keep running the same version we are as of right now. Once that opens up, it's going to open up our Innovations Pro page, and we're going to click on Machine Interface. Once you click on Machine Interface, it's going to go ahead and open up a new window for you. Me personally, I like to tile the window. So in order to do that, you can maximize your screen. On the top left corner, click on Window, and then click on Tile. That's going to show you all your ports. Again, you might have a different amount of ports open. You only need one port per piece of equipment that you're running. So in some of our sustainable labs that have 2 edgers and a tracer, you would technically need 3 ports open. But again, this is what we have. So Innovations is now open, but I'm going to walk over to the edger and see if we can pull up a job. So let's go for a walk. Alright, so we're over at the edger and I'm trying to pull up a job. And as you can see, when I'm trying to pull up the job, I keep getting an error saying that the com host, the job's not found. So basically the edger is not communicating with Innovations. So let's head back over to our computer. Before we do that, I'm going to shut down the edger and then we're going to boot up Innovations first. Alright, so we shut down Innovations, so we'll go ahead and we're going to start it back up now that the edger's turned off. And then we're going to go ahead and open up Machine Interface again. And then once this loads again, I'm going to go ahead and tile the window so we can see all of our ports that we use here in our lab. And as you can see, all of our ports are now successfully opened. Sometimes if you do it the wrong way too, you might not even get that message that it opened successfully. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over and I'm going to turn on our 2 edgers. And you're going to see a couple of these ports change. So give me 1 second. Alright, so our edgers are turning on. So again, we'll keep an eye on the screen here. I believe one of them is going to be right here in port number 20. But again, here as the edgers turn on, you're going to see that they'll actually communicate with Innovations, and then we'll be able to send jobs. So yep, so right here, you guys can see that for us, port 22 and port 20 are 2 edgers. This is a sign that they did turn on successfully. So let me zoom in on that. So if you get this kind of a message right here where it says standard request processed, that means things did open up and you're looking good. All right, thanks for watching.